Is there actually one simple thing that all successful videos should start with? Yes. There is one basic concept contained in one word that can make or break any video, film, music, painting, novel, photograph, any creation really, and can mean the difference between it being generally accepted and considered good and rejected and considered bad. I hesitate to even use the word, as most will immediately flip a switch in their head which either says, "I already know all about that," or already have so much incorrect information piled on top of this word that they immediately reject a freaking secret weapon. If you can agree to park your emotions, sensations, pains, feelings, past failures, know best, already got this, and been doing that forever attitudes on this word, you get a lot from this video. The word is communication. See, you did what I told you not to do, didn't you? Try again. I know you can do it. Just park all that stuff to the side for a moment. Open your mind. Communication is not having words fly out of your mouth expecting someone else to understand or take heed of what you say, and in fact, that attitude will cause you a lot of stress and upset, wondering why no one listens to you. I don't care how technically perfect that video, film, song, painting, novel, or photograph has been done, if it doesn't communicate something to the viewer or listener, it won't be considered good. In its simplest form, communication works like this. 1. You have some idea, concept, or emotion you wish others to receive. 2. You use words, music, visuals, or images to deliver that. 3. They receive what you intended in number 1. Put even simpler, you want to cause some effect on another. The effect you want to cause could be joy, happiness, sorrow, anxiety, understanding, more knowledge, practically anything. In simple conversation, the person is right there. You have some idea of what you want them to understand, you deliver that to them. In the arts, it's truly amazing as the person or group is trying to cause whatever effect they want to create on others without them being there from a distance. I am astounded that someone I don't know and never met, living on a completely different part of the planet, living a completely different life, can craft a story which I then read, which results me being dropped into whatever universe they have created. And they did it using words on paper. Despite their technical skill, they had some idea, used words to deliver that idea, and I received their idea, which created the effect they intended. I find that amazing, magical, and more to the point, that's communication. If you can wrap your wits around this simple subject of communication, your chances of being successful at connecting with your audience will be far greater, as it is the basic of all basics when creating anything for another or others. You decide you are going to create a video and you know who that video is intended for, your current audience. Before you start, pause for a moment and write down what you want to do against these basic laws of communication. 1. What is the idea, concept, or emotion you wish others to receive? 2. What words, music, visuals, or images are you going to use to deliver that? And 3. Does what you decided to do align with number 1? These simple rules not only apply to video creation, but to everything you do, as communicating is the basic of all basics on how we all interact with each other. You can apply these communication rules to creating films, shorts, videos, podcasts, scripts, novels, music, live performances, comedy, instruction, teaching, advertising, blogs, social media posts, interactions in the workplace, your family, an email you want to send, and even a comment on the video, which I would really appreciate. You can certainly buy better cameras, lenses, lights, mics, and continue to up your game technically, which you should do. But I think the biggest bang for your buck in practicing and becoming skilled in the use of these rules is communication. I'm no expert, but I continue to practice even on things like this. What is the idea, concept, or emotion you wish others to receive? I would like them to subscribe to my YouTube channel so they can get weekly content that may be of use to them. What words, music, visuals, or images are you going to use to deliver that? I'm going to ask them to subscribe and have a cute flying subscription button appear over there. Does what you've decided to do align with number 1? I think so. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Open your mind.